Super Nano resin polish is a low choking product to prevent dust buildup, especially on dark colours. So how do we use it? Super Nano resin polish, we simply shake the bottle prior to use, apply a small amount of product onto an applicator pad, and then distribute the product nice and evenly over the surface area. Once the product's actually eased off, it's simply a question of wiping the surface area of the microfiber cloth to remove any surface residues. Buffing to a nice gloss finish.